It's icy and nasty out here. And cold. What up, YouTube and all my Riker riders? I would say that. My Spyder riders. And now I'm probably the Can-Am craftsman. But anyway, I got the Can-Am Spyder out 2025. Brand new. Don't even have 10 miles on it yet. I've took it out in the cold because I got something new that I was going to try out for the Spyder. Company reached out to me called K-Speaker. And I thought it'd be a perfect fit for my Spyder guys, something real cool. Let's head over to the garage back here and do a quick unboxing. Here we have it here from K-Speaker. This is it. Every trip has better music with you. Comes in this nice box. K-Speaker, better sound. High power speakers make the sound louder. What we got here? The metal shell makes the music better. Before your installation, you can connect to the battery and feel the music first. So you don't even have to install it. You could just hook it up to a battery. I do have a battery here, but yeah, I have a battery right there. I might just hook it up, but I want to show you what it looks like on the Spyder. So here we have a small user manual, the tools they give you, some cool zip ties, looks like a wiring harness, and what we got here, oh, there's nuts, bolts, and all the stuff we need, spare part tips, and the tools. Cool, so let's bring this bad boy out. Okay, it's packed in there real nice. This is what we get. Tube speaker here. Looks like all the controls. Pretty simple setup. Explains you here how to mount it. So let's see how it's gonna look mounted on the Can-Am Spyder. But wait, before that, let me go through some of the features. Let's see what we got here. We got the power button. We have the PV, I don't know what that is. PRVE, USB port, the display, next button, and mode. Okay, oh, radio, previous. Sorry, that was dumb. Previous. We got Bluetooth. We got mode for radio, Bluetooth, and USB. Has a USB port. So you can plug things directly in it. Bluetooth connection, how to dismantle, how to put it on the handlebars, all that cool stuff. Let's head all over to the bike and let's get started. So what I like most about this speaker is the versatility it has, because over here not only does you're able to widen it for wider bars, you can also change the pitch of the speaker in the direction you want it. Also, it's got like a flexible joint, so if the bar is a little bit off tilt, you can still tighten it without it pulling. So there's some really nice features here to make it versatile if you want to put it on your handlebars. I'm going to put it over here because I don't want to block the LCD screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to mount to these two bars right here. We're going to snake the wires and I'm going to tighten everything up. You don't really have to see all of that. So to save some time, and plus because it's freezing out here, let me just put this on real quick and get right back with you guys. So I'm just tightening up the screws, bolts, whatever. I'm going to tighten all that up real quick. It's a little loose, but like I said, the versatility of this is crazy. I'm going to tighten this up to make sure it's secure on both sides. And as for the wiring, you guys who have a Spyder, this is cool too, because you can actually disconnect it get this off real quick. You can actually disconnect it here and reconnect it. So this is cool too. So what you're gonna do, well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run the wires down through the gaps, of course, around, underneath, do some zip tying, and attach this directly to the battery. But like I said, it's freezing out here, so we're gonna skip all that, put it on the battery, turn it on, and see how it sounds. And just to let you know, there is gonna be a code below to get your speaker. So let's just hook this up real quick to the battery, turn it on, and play some music.
Play by USB drive.
So that's it. That's my installation of the K speaker, motorcycle speaker. I recommend this product because of the versatility, and you don't have to drill into your bike. You don't have to add a lot of speakers, a lot of amps. Guys are just looking for a little sound, not competition type sound. Pretty good, solid construction, all the parts. They give you all the pieces, connection, do it yourself. Super easy. Anybody could do it. Discount code below. More cool stuff coming as I do reviews. Like, follow, and subscribe. Click the link below for this item and for all my other items that I do reviews on. And remember, everybody, ride safe always. Ride safe.